All right, here's our second example of solving with the elimination method. We need opposite coefficients in order for this to work to eliminate one of the variables. But it's not always going to be the case that I will already have opposite coefficients. So again, looking at the coefficients of x variable, which was 6 and 9, so those aren't opposites. If I'm looking at the coefficients to y, I have positive 2 and negative y. Those still aren't opposite coefficients, even though one is positive and one is negative, because I need them to be the same number. However, when I don't have opposite coefficients, I'm looking at whether I can multiply one of the equations by a number in order to get the opposites. And if I'm looking at 2 and negative 4, since I already have a positive and a negative, I kind of want to make those be my opposite coefficients. And what's nice is that 4 is a multiple of 2. So I could just multiply the whole first equation by 2 to get that first equation to be, to have opposite coefficients. But that's multiplying everything by 2. So I'm multiplying 30 by 2, multiplying 2y by 2, and 6x by 2. So I'm going to rewrite these problems. So I have 12x plus 4y is equal to 60. Then I'm not changing anything with my second equation because now I will have opposite coefficients. So bringing it just right back down, 9x minus 4y is equal to 3. Now that I have opposite coefficients, now I can add my two equations together to eliminate the y variable, because 4y plus negative 4y is 0. So, hold on. All right, sorry about that. All right, so now we can add our equations together. So we have 12x plus 9x, so that's 21x. 4y plus negative 4y is 0y, so those get eliminated. Bring down my equal sign. 60 plus 3 is 63. Now we just need to solve for x by dividing by 21. Dividing by 21. So x is equal to 3. So in my ordered pair, my x is 3. Now we still need to solve for y. Again, it doesn't matter which one I plug 3 in for x, so I'm just going to use the first one. So you have 12 times 3 plus 4 times y is equal to 60. 12 times 3 is 36 plus 4y is equal to 60. Subtract 36, subtract 36, because it's a two-step equation. Get 4y is equal to 24. Dividing by 4, y is equal to 6. So my solution to this problem is the 0.36. But again, remember, I can always check and make sure I'm correct by plugging that into both equations. So we have 6 times 3 plus 2 times 6 equals 30. 18 plus 12. 18 plus 12 does equal 30, so it works for the first one. Making sure it works for the second one. 9 times 3 minus 4 times 6 equal to 3. 9 times 3 is 27. 4 times 6 is 24. 27 minus 24 is in fact 3, so it works.